Yes, we do. We have lots of many activities. We also have our national flower, which is the rose. It is really nice that each flower represents the individuals and everyone's differences and individuality. So Shenzhen as a hub, being that bridge for connections, is really great. I would say a sunflower. It's very beautiful. It represents new life, our spring.
I love the part that we are making the flower. It was so fun.
Just to be, globally minded, think of everywhere has their own culture, to respect different cultures and to embrace your own culture, but also respect everyone else's, and kind of everyone can come together, and it makes the world a better place.
My favorite flower is Lilia because my sister's name is Lily. My favorite part is doing the leaves of the flower. I gonna take it to my mother for the Mother's Day.
We do. We make beautiful flowers regularly in our country. I think that that's a beautiful message of connection and, inclusivity. The national flower in the United States is the rose, and it's about, love and connection as well. So it kind of made me reflect on home.
叶子还有花丝，我想要送给我的爸爸。